Guys, welcome to VW Mods. So today I just want to tell you guys, this is the 31. So I want to wish all of you a Happy New Year and a wonderful 2018. Should be great. I would like also to thank, I'm closing on 300 subscribers, almost 300,000 views. I know some of your favorite YouTubers make that in one video, but for me, getting that 300 subscribers and 300,000 views means a lot to me. And basically I only make a video a month. I'm gonna try to make more videos, but yeah, thanks a lot for the support, guys. And now we're gonna go check out the GLI, because I think this year could be the first year I actually do repairs on the car. So we're gonna go check it out. It's been minus 20 for like a week now here, and I think it's getting to the car, so it might be the spark plugs or the new battery I have to change. I know my NGK my NGK spark plugs that I put in the car their performance, so they're good. I think 50,000. Maybe I have to change them basically. So we're gonna go check that out together. I'm gonna show you the start of the car at minus 20. I think today is still minus 20, so it might go well. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching and have a wonderful new year.
Damn. Yeah.
Ah, damn. It's so cold, the door's locked. What the fuck? Look what I have to do, man. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're inside the car right now. It's freezing. You can see the windshield and everything. So we're gonna press one time. Camera's off. Just gonna show you everything. It's having a hard time starting, man. Like, see now here, minus 18 with the wind and everything. Should be minus 20 again. So like I said, this could be the battery or it could be the spark plug. So alright, oil has been circulated, so let's press on the brake. Brakes are not so bad, so here we go, guys. There she goes. So this is the first time out of 6 years this car has a hard time starting. Remember, guys, this is stage 2 unitronic GLI, and I never had a problem. I never put a penny on this car except for mods and for oil changes and maintenance or whatever. But I never changed a part, never did nothing. Warranty has been actually gonna receive $2,000 from the warranty I bought for this car when I bought it new. I'm gonna receive that because I never used it. As you can see, the cold start is pretty cold started. So yeah, the car always starts, but usually it would pop right up, even at, because this minus 20 is not much. It's gonna be minus 40 soon, and if it has a hard time starting now, it should have a hard time starting at minus 40. So I just wanted to show you guys, this could be the first year I actually do, I have to fix something, maybe change the battery. They're minor stuff, like the NGK spark plugs. I think they're $100 for all 4 of them. And I could do that myself. The battery too, I could do it myself. So it could be the battery, it could be the spark plugs. But this car never had a hard time starting, but now it does. So this could be the year, man. After 6 years, this car is a tank. I don't know if you guys have problems with your Jetta GLIs, or even the Jettas or GTIs, whatever. But my water pump is amazing. Everything's amazing, man. I still want to change this car. I'm waiting for a Golf R. A lot of things happened in my life, so I lost the Golf R for now. But still, we're waiting. So I'm gonna put the heat on over here, make the windows defrost a little bit, because we're seeing it's pretty ice baby right now. So yeah, so thanks for watching. I'm actually going to a party right now for New Year's. I hope everybody has a new and happy New Year, and have fun. Don't drink and drive, guys, and remember, stay cool, fellas.